Hi, I'm Jim Dodson. I'd like to welcome you to our medical malpractice page. You know, one of the things that I hear frequently from people is a kind of a misunderstanding of what exactly is a medical malpractice or medical negligence case. We hear the term interchangeably of negligence, malpractice, or mistake, and they really are talking about the same thing. And these cases really have three major components. The first is that there, in fact, was a mistake made. And that mistake was made either by a doctor or a nurse, some other hospital staff, or any number of other medical providers that could make a medical mistake. The second is that that mistake, or the conduct of this doctor or nurse or other person, really failed to meet the minimum standard, the minimum level of care that they were required to provide. And it could be in something they did, or something that they should have done, but they didn't, something they failed to do. And third, that because of the mistake, which did not meet the minimum standard of care for that person, the patient suffered a specific harm, that as a result of it, harm was done to the patient. Now, how do you know when a medical mistake is made? You know, sometimes you'll even have people in the hospital or in the doctor's office lean over and tell someone that they ought to see a lawyer. Pretty good indication. But normally it's a little bit more subtle than that. The most frequent thing I think we see is that someone has a totally unexpected outcome than what they were expected or told by the doctor would happen. Or a serious complication or mistake is evident in terms of what happened to them, or ultimately that the result that they achieved was totally outside what they expected. If I could tell you one thing to keep in mind as you're considering what to do, it would be this. Florida has a very short period of time to bring a medical malpractice claim. If that time runs, your claim is over. If you suspect or you know someone who suspects that they have a medical malpractice claim, have them call a qualified medical malpractice lawyer at the earliest opportunity. I can't tell you the number of times I get calls from people who had serious complications on what sounded like to me to be a very serious malpractice claim, only to learn that clearly the time to bring the claim has run. Someone gave them bad advice, some well-meaning person, they relied upon that advice, and the time to bring the claim has expired. Don't wait. If you're someone who wants to research the questions and issues in your case, there's plenty of materials on our website which we've put there to help you. If you need to call us, you want to talk about your issue right away, there's means on our website for you to contact me by phone or otherwise. I'm Jim Dodson. We help people every day.